I never made it, but I know what it takes. I'm motivated by a mix of emotion. Got my statement, and I'm...
Hello, dear students. How are you today? I hope that you are enjoying your days and you are having a good time. So, let's start with our activities of this day.
So now we are going to check the new keywords of this day. So you have to repeat after me and you have to pay attention to the meaning. The first word is consequence. Consequence means effect, punishment. Example, before disobeying the rules, consider the consequence. Endure. Endure means last through, suffer. Example, the cities have endured through time. Slam. Slam means to shut. Example, he slammed the door loudly. Tsunami. Tsunami means tidal wave. Example, the tsunami came faster. Use. Use means employ. Example, he uses the computer every day. Go read. Go read means anxious. Example, she is so worried. So now we are going to make a review about simple past. So we use simple past to talk about past actions, the actions that you did in the past. So we have the auxiliary did and didn't, and we have regular and irregular verbs. You have to add ed to the regular verbs. Example, he watched TV yesterday. I did my homework. The first activity is to open your Uno ebook on pages 76 and 77. We are going to answer some exercise about past. In the first activity, you have to underline all the verbs that end in ed. Example, slammed. In the second activity, you have to copy all the verbs that you underline in the left column. In the right column, you will write them in present. Example, slams, slam. In the bubble, you have to describe 5 things that you did this morning. Example, ate, did, played. In exercise number 3, you have to match the statements with the correct words. In number 4, you have to write 5 activities that you did last weekend. And then you will write it in present and then in past. Example, I eat pizza. Past tense, I ate pizza. I played Fortnite. In past, I played Fortnite. The second activity is to write 5 activities that you did last Saturday in your notebook. And the last activity is to play Kahoot. So let's play it.
That's all for today. See you tomorrow and have a good day.